One of the most fundamental laws governing collision repair is that virtually every repair requires at least some replacement parts. Finding the right part at the right price at the right time is critical to the success of your shop. CCC Parts helps simplify parts acquisition by helping automate the process. Online ordering has simplified our daily lives, from holiday shopping to restaurant takeout orders. Why can't the same be true for the way you order parts? Now it is. The simplest, most intuitive way to directly source, price, and order parts is with CCC One. As estimates are generated, real-time parts availability and pricing are at your fingertips. CCC Parts integrates directly into thousands of suppliers' inventory management systems to provide you with real-time data from the suppliers you prefer. You'll have access to suppliers offering OEM parts, aftermarket parts, and recycled parts. Compare prices and inventory instantly across multiple sellers that you select. Additionally, you can help drive down your cycle time with more accurate orders the first time. Online ordering has reduced returns up to 16% as compared to manual orders. Online ordering also provides insight into delivery times, so your team can receive the right replacement part at the right time, every time. Shops who use CCC's repair workflow shop management software receive the added benefit of electronic invoices from parts suppliers. Improve the accuracy of your reporting by reducing the need for manual input and reconciliation of parts invoices. Connect with the most robust parts network available by switching to online ordering with CCC One. CCC, powering forward.